Hello and welcome back for another 50 States of Food cooking video. This is a collaborative effort I've been doing with Heather from the Pixel Gamer Girl channel, where we have slowly been cooking our way through all 50 of the United States. Today's stop finds us in the Mount Rushmore state of South Dakota. It became the 40th state admitted into the Union on November 2nd, 1889, and the dish I'll be making today are the South Dakota Pasties. The ingredients I'll be using are 1.5 cups of a top sirloin that's been thinly sliced, 5.5 cups of potatoes thinly sliced, and 1/2 cup of onion that's also been thinly sliced. You'll need some butter, salt, pepper, and dried parsley, and enough pie dough to make 6 9-inch round circles. These are all my ingredients. Let me go ahead and get them moved out of the way and we can start bringing this together. I started off by transferring the potatoes into a larger bowl. I'm going to add in my onions and toss these together. To build the pasties, start off by layering in about 1 cup of the potato and onion. I'm going to try and keep those stacked up. I found that's the easiest way to get this folded. Then top it off with 1/4 cup of the meat that's been tightly packed. This gets topped with 1 pat of butter, a little sprinkle of salt, some of the dried parsley flakes, and just a little bit of black pepper. And now this can be folded up over the top of the pile here. And then you want to start crimping the ends. And the way I've been doing them is to just roll the ends over and give them a good pinch. Alright, once it's crimped, go ahead and transfer it over to a cookie sheet, and let me go ahead and bring those in. The next step is to go ahead and put just one little vent hole right into the top and brush the tops with just a little bit of melted butter. These are now going to go into a 350-degree preheated oven where they'll bake for 45 to 50 minutes. When the pasties came out of the oven, I went ahead and brushed them with a little bit of the remaining melted butter and allowed them to cool, and now all I have left to do is try it out. Now these are normally served, I believe, either cold or room temperature, but these are still a little bit on the warm side. They're cool enough for me to eat, but probably not as cool as they're normally eaten. These are absolutely delicious. The potato and the meat are very tender, cooked all the way through. The only thing is I could have added a little bit more salt and pepper, but that was on me, and if I ever make them again, I'll definitely boost up that and add a little bit more. Other than that, these are great, and a great recipe from the state of South Dakota. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you guys have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Ball Girl. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.